Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to this beautiful walking tour of Ipema, Brazil. Today, we'll be exploring the stunning beaches of this world-famous destination, known for its breathtaking landscapes, crystal clear waters, and vibrant culture. I'm thrilled to share this experience with you and hope you'll enjoy every moment of it. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you to click the like button if you're excited about this tour. Your support means a lot to us and helps us bring more exciting content like this in the future. This is where the locals come to enjoy the sun and the sea and to socialize with friends.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
Next, we'll walk to the Leblon Beach, which is located at the end of Ipanema Beach. This beach is known for its upscale atmosphere and its luxurious hotels and restaurants. You can also find several small cafes and shops along the beachfront where you can relax and enjoy the view. Our next stop is the São Conrado Beach, which is less crowded than the previous ones and is perfect for those looking for a bit of peace and quiet. This beach is known for its stunning view of the mountains and the sea and its clear waters, which are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Finally, we'll walk to the Pedra do Arpoador, which is a natural rock formation that separates Ipanema and Copacabana Beach. This spot offers a stunning view of the sea and the mountains and is the perfect spot for taking photos. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed walking along the stunning beaches of Ipanema with me. Don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment below the video. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos.